action.
Yeah.
So you think that's bad? Wait, just wait.
Okay, so we here with the weather, yeah. On Monday, it's gonna be real good, cause on Monday, it's gonna be sunny, and you gonna like when it's sunny, cause the sun gonna feel good, and the sun is gonna be on your skin, and the sun is real hot, and the sun is not cold. So, yeah. Then on Tuesday.
Breaking news! This cat has been stolen. We need him back immediately. If anybody has news on this cat,
You better let that cat down.
if anybody has news on this cat, please call the phone number 8768 1038 4567. Please call that number if you find that cat anywhere. I stole the cat.
Yo, you going to jail.